Hey friends, it's Jessica of jessicagavin.com and welcome to my test kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make mouth-watering Salisbury steak. Salisbury steak turns boring ground beef into a gourmet meal your family is going to love. The meat is seasoned, shaped, and seared. Then a delicious mushroom sauce is made, all in the same pan. For the steaks, I like to use a 90% lean ground beef like sirloin. It's going to ensure that the steaks are juicy and flavorful. I also use breadcrumbs, which is going to create a starchy panade to lock in the moisture and prevent the meat from shrinking in the pan. The addition of eggs is going to add extra fat from the egg yolks, and the albumin in the egg whites is going to help the patties set and keep the oval shape. In a medium bowl, gently mix 1 pound ground beef, a half a cup breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and 2 teaspoons soy sauce until just combined. Do not overmix. Divide the beef mixture into 4 even mounds. Form into 1/2 inch thick oval patties, about 5 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Cover and chill the patties in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. It's important not to overwork the meat mixture. The more that you handle it, the tighter the proteins are going to get when they're cooking in the pan, which is going to yield some tougher bites. We're going to chill the patties so that the meat solidifies, so that when we cook it, it holds its shape. While the meat is chilling, I'm going to cut the vegetables for the sauce. Cut the onion into 1/4 inch thick slices. Cut the mushrooms into 1/4 inch thick slices. Mince the garlic. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a 12-inch cast iron skillet or non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the beef patties. Cook until a golden brown crust forms, about 3 to 4 minutes. Flip and reduce the heat down to medium. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium well, or 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit for well done, about 3 to 5 minutes. There will be some carryover cooking of the meat after resting. Because the meat mixture contains eggs, we're going to want to make sure that we cook the internal temperature to 144 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that the harmful bacteria is destroyed. This looks good. The meat is done cooking. Now let's transfer it to a clean plate and get ready to make the mushroom sauce. Carefully wipe the pan clean, or you can keep the drippings in the pan for extra flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons butter in the skillet over medium heat. Once melted, add 1 cup sliced onions and sauté until softened, about 3 minutes. Add 12 ounces sliced mushrooms, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, a 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and sauté until tender, about 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste and 2 tablespoons flour. Stir and cook for 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, stir and cook for 15 seconds. Slowly pour in a 1/2 cup of beef stock. Stir and cook until thickened, about 2 minutes. Place the steaks back in the pan, turning to coat in the sauce to warm. The mushroom sauce smells incredible. I like to load up glutamates into the sauce like brown mushrooms, beef stock, and tomato paste to enhance the savory flavor and complement the steaks. A little splash of balsamic vinegar adds brightness and depth. This looks good, let's go plate up. Wow, you are going to love this. Let's mix the sauce a little bit and then drizzle some on top. And right before serving, sprinkle with some parsley. For a complete meal, I like to serve this with mashed potatoes and green beans or any of your favorite sides. I hope you enjoyed learning the science behind Salisbury steak, and if you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember, cook with confidence. You got this. See you later.